Hello friends! Today we're going to touch on a subject that's a bit personal, but incredibly important for your health journey. Let's talk about something many of us are shy to discuss. It's your poop. Yes, you heard that right. We're diving deep into this topic because understanding your body's signals is fundamental to achieving your weight loss goals and feeling fantastic. Did you know that a vast majority of people have a bowel movement only once a day? For many, this has become their lifelong normal, a rhythm they don't even question, and they think that's totally normal. But what if that normal is actually a sign that your system is overburdened? What if I told you that this seemingly small detail could be a major overlooked reason your body is stubbornly holding on to weight? Here's the truth. Our digestive systems need a break. When you eat all day long, grazing from morning to night, your stomach never gets to fully rest and reset. Imagine a factory that never closes. Your digestive system keeps working non-stop. This constant labor drains your energy, which is why you feel heavy, bloated, and perpetually tired. And your weight? With the system constantly overloaded, it can't process efficiently, and the number on the scale just keeps going up. Consider the typical eating pattern. Breakfast, a mid-morning snack, lunch, an afternoon coffee, and then dinner. That's a constant stream of food entering your system, all without letting the body fully clear out the previous meal. If you're only having a bowel movement once a day, it means yesterday's food is still in the queue. Your stomach stays full, creating a digestive traffic jam. That undigested food just sits there in the warm environment of your gut, where it begins to ferment. This process creates gas and discomfort, and that's exactly when you feel lazy, bloated, or even constipated. So what's the right way to fix this? The answer is beautifully simple. Eat only when you're truly hungry, listening for genuine hunger signals rather than eating out of habit. Don't force your body to keep digesting all day. The most powerful change you can make is to let your stomach rest between meals. Try to avoid eating solid food between breakfast and lunch, and again between lunch and dinner. This crucial pause gives your system the time it needs to process, cleanse, and reset. Once you follow this simple rule, the difference is night and day. Your body will feel noticeably lighter and less bogged down. You'll find you poop more easily and regularly, maybe even twice a day, a great sign of efficiency. As your body reclaims energy from digestion, your own energy will rise. Your digestion will improve, your belly will flatten, and you'll simply feel great. Now, if you struggle with constipation or that constant heavy feeling as you make this change, you can support your body with a natural solution, Finessa. It's designed to help ease the process. Just one scoop in the morning with water or your favorite drink creates a simple, effective ritual. It helps you feel clean, light, and energetic all day. Beyond regularity, Finessa also supports your body in maintaining healthy cholesterol and promoting balanced blood sugar levels. It also encourages a stronger, more efficient metabolism. Essentially, Finessa helps your body feel fresh and renewed from the inside, which is the key so you can look and feel your best every day. So, friends, the message is clear. Take care of your stomach, and it will take care of you. Keep it happy, and you'll stay light. Remember, a clean stomach is the foundation for a happy mind and a healthy body. For more info on Finessa, click the link in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.